15-lined essay on New Year. As the clock strikes midnight, a new year begins, a time for new resolutions, hopes, and dreams within. The old year fades away with memories so dear. A fresh start unfolds, bringing joy and cheer. People gather to celebrate with fireworks and delight. The atmosphere is filled with laughter, love, and light. A time for reflection on the past year's deeds. A chance to learn from mistakes and plant new seeds. The new year symbolizes renewal, a chance to start anew. A time to set goals and work towards them too. It's a moment to cherish with family and friends so dear, and welcome the future with hope and joy that's clear. So let's raise our glasses and toast to the new year. May it bring us happiness, success, and love that's true and clear. Thanks for watching.